In today's video, it's a continuation of the force install, so let's get into it.
Okay, day 2 of this installation. We did get the rack up yesterday, that one in the back. So we did get that bolted down and secured, and we did put the other wood, as you can see, in the ground and got that set. So we're going to continue with today, day 2 of this install. As you can see, the guys are setting up the other railing that we have to get up, the other EG4 bright mount solar array structure, and we're going to put it on that. Once I cut those pieces here, one, yeah, I think I'm going to cut it because that's the lowest, so I got to cut that one, and then that one over here down, and then make my mark and get that rack up and going. So yeah, I'll just park you guys right here as we continue to work. Okay, let's get this on film. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take these long things here. It's okay. Well, I got to make sure I have enough when we bolt that stuff down. Yeah. See, these come in handy. They just do the job, man. All right, get your stuff on top and let's balance it out and make sure it works, and then we'll drive the other one. Give me that. We can then drive them in.
So now we're going to do a walk around. Now we have the panels rack mounted. You can see we got them bolted down with the edge clamps. So now see that they're connected. You can see on this one we got it racked. They're all connected. All connected up here. So now all we have to do is just get the wires through the conduits, get these connected, and get it down in that path there. So now, see, there's no shadow casting from this one onto that one, so we gave it enough room. All right. Alright, so now on to the other phase, now that we've done this part. Okay, so I'm going to take this guy right here. I'm going to ground it right at the panel. So I'm going to take this guy right here. I'm going to put it right there and ground the panel out. So here we go. Just push it on. And so now we have these 3 panels grounded. As you can see, that one's done. Over there. Right there. So now I'm going to go back here and get these other ones completed. Alright, so bear with me. Alright, so let's do this panel. Alright, so we got that one done. And now, let's get the last one completed over here. Grounded. We are going to get copper wire and basically run it down to the ground right there. So I'll just kind of point to the ground wire. So right here is the rod we beat in the ground. And I just have to run a wire down here, come down here, and then just ground it on that. So that's all left to be done on that. To ground this array out. And then we'll do the same thing on that one over there. So I think we're going to call it quits for today. My guys are working on the My guys are down there working on wires, I should say. Once they finish cleaning that out, we're going to try and get that done. I don't know if we'll get that done today, but at least they're clearing it out to get that done. So we're going to call it quits for day 2, and hopefully we'll come back tomorrow and try and push on through to get the rest of it completed. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Until day 3, take care.